Did you know your bank could be quietly taking your money? Between hidden fees, low interest, and sneaky charges, most people lose hundreds every year. But with a few smart bank hacks, you can flip the script and make your bank work for you. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we turn smart money tips into real results. Today, I'll show you 5 easy bank hacks that actually save, and even earn, you money. Let's dive in. Hack 1. Switch to a high-yield savings account. Most banks pay less than 0.1% interest. That's basically nothing. High-yield online banks can pay 4% or more. That's 40 times higher. If you keep $5,000 in savings, that's $200 a year for doing nothing. Stick around, the next one could save you even more. Hack 2. Automate transfers on payday. Don't trust willpower. The moment your paycheck hits, have your bank automatically move a portion to savings. Even $25 per check builds real habits and removes temptation before you even see the money. Hack 3. Use bank alerts to stop overspending. Most banking apps let you set alerts for low balances or large purchases. Turn them on. They act like a personal money coach, giving you a quick heads up before trouble hits. This simple step can help you avoid overdraft fees and unnecessary stress. Hack 4. Say goodbye to monthly fees. Many banks charge $10 to $15 a month for basic accounts. That's up to $180 a year. Ask your bank how to waive those fees. Often all it takes is setting up direct deposit or keeping a small balance. Or better yet, switch to a no-fee bank or credit union that doesn't charge you to hold your money. Hack 5. Open a separate goal account. Create a second savings account just for goals, vacation, car, or emergency fund. Keeping it separate from your main account makes it harder to spend. You'll stay focused and see your progress grow faster. Bonus hack. Use a cashback debit or credit card. If you pay off your balance monthly, use a cashback card for everyday purchases. Even 2% back adds up fast. $50 a month in groceries turns into $12 cash every year for free. Just remember, never spend more just to earn rewards. You don't need to be rich to use bank hacks, you just need to be smart. Start with one of these tips today, and you'll see the difference within a month. Which one will you try first? Comment below and tell us, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video, 5 side hustles that actually pay well in 2025.